Hello.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube world.
Hi.
All right. So I have an assistant today. What's my assistant's name?
Dawson.
My little boy. All right. We're making a video to show you how to make the vinegar citrus cleaner. All right. I'm gonna tell them first how did we get these oranges?
We eat them.
We ate the oranges. That's right.
Ate all the oranges.
And where do you guys put the peel? Where
inside the bowl.
And then where do we save the bowl of the orange peels? The refrigerator.
Oh, we put them inside the refrigerator.
The refrigerator, yes. So we store them nice and cold, okay?
Yeah.
So they get stored nice and cold in the refrigerator. And as they start piling up, what I like to do is I like to then put them in this BPA-free container. It could be a glass container. It could be a plastic one. I just happen to have that one. And then when I get a good amount of oranges, I fill them up. Yeah, that's one of the stickers from the oranges. See, the little label on the orange? I fill it up with vinegar. So I fill up the orange peels with white distilled vinegar up to the top of the vinegar or the oranges. Now you can see they've been here for about 2.5, almost 3 weeks. Smell it.
Ooh, smells good.
Smells good. It's a little strong with the vinegar, right? But do you smell the orange? It makes your nose tingle because of the vinegar. So it's been about 2.5, 3 weeks. You can see the orange rinds are starting to get a little bit brownish. They're like starting to decompose in the vinegar. So don't let it sit for more than 3 weeks in the vinegar. That's empty. Stop doing that.
No.
Don't. Well, there's water in it from when I rinsed it out. All right. So don't let it sit for more than 3 weeks. So what you do is you get an empty bottle. This is a 24-ounce bottle. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. Dawson, this is a funnel. Can you please stop playing with it?
Yeah.
This is a funnel. Hold the funnel over that.
Funnel.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's your job. Hold it. What we're gonna do is first off, make sure you don't have any cuts on your nails because this is vinegar and it's gonna sting. So as you scoop it out. Oh, you know what I forgot to get? I should have gotten a spoon. Can you go get Mommy a spoon? Oh yeah, it'll fit in there. Perfect. Go get Mommy a spoon.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Thank you, my little assistant. I should have them on all my videos. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain we're gonna drain the peels. Let me tell you a little tip. This is called a strainer or a sieve, or you can wear it like as a face mask. Show them how it looks as a face mask. What?
Wait.
Or like a fencer, like when you're fencing. So what you want to do,
or if you catch some bugs,
or when you catch bugs or bees, as you strain the juice out of the solution, and then you pour the liquid into here, if you don't strain it out, you're gonna get clumps of orange gunk into your bottle, and then it's not gonna come out of the tube. It's gonna clog the tube. So what you need to do is you need to strain. So what you need to strain it. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna first pour. Yeah, hold that. Pour the vinegar solution in first. Let's pour it in. As much as the vinegar solution as we can get. Pour, 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 pour. There's still a lot left in here. Even though it's emptying out, you can strain the rest of the peel. See, one of the peels just fell in there. You can strain the rest of the peels out. You too? All right, so put this, there, let it go. Put that in here. Dump it in here. Thank you. Oh, there's still liquid in here. Is it going down? Okay, now it went down. Good. All right, so we got about, what, 20 ounces or so out of that? It stings? I thought you said you didn't have a cut. All right, so that smells really good, actually.
No, I don't have a cut.
So now there's still some vinegar solution down in here. What I like to do is you could strain it out. You could just notice that. You could just kind of strain out whatever is left. You don't get that much more, but if you really want to be really, if you want to really get as much as you can out, you just strain it out. Hold it for me. Hold it, my little assistant. No, the strainer. This, the white one. And the bottle with your other hand, so it doesn't tip over.
So can I try now? You have to hold it.
Just kind of squeeze it out. You want to just squeeze it out like that?
No,
You're not going to get that much more out of it, but you want to try and just pour out as much more as you can? Go ahead, buddy. I think we got probably almost all of it.
I'm going crazy.
You want to squeeze some of it out? Go ahead. And it smells really good because it's been almost 3 weeks, so the peels really absorbed the vinegar. See, you're still getting some more out of it. And I'll just put it in here. And then you could just throw it in your compost. Or, throw it in the trash and it'll just break down because it's orange peel. Now, what I like to do, so we'll go through like the rest of this and just kind of squeeze out as much more as we can. Hold on. Wait. What I like to do, you can sit down, they can't see your beautiful face. What I like to do is, how's it smell? It smells good? It smells great, right?
Ew.
I know, it smells like vinegar too. So what I like to do is, some people do dilute it with water. I don't. I like to just leave it straight like this. Keep in mind, vinegar is acidic, so I do not recommend using it on marble stone.
What do you use this
stone? Good question. Very good. Cleaning windows and mirrors.
Can we do it today?
Yes. Yes. Cleaning windows and mirrors. Okay, Bubby, there's water in there. Stop squirting it. Cleaning windows and mirrors. What else? Oh, tubs, tile. But it has to be steel tile, like the glossy kind. Don't use this on natural stone, like quartz or granite or marble or wood, because it's acidic and it'll eat away at the finish. But this is really great for mirrors and Bubby, please stop.
No, because I have to get all the seeds.
This?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll wash this out in a second.
Yeah.
All right, what you can do is you can add some more oils or some oils into it to add more scent. So here, add like a few drops of, that's orange essential oil. You don't have to tap it. You just see? Are you counting? How many are you putting in?
19.
11.
11.
Well, you already did like 15.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All right, good. I think you got like more than 20. Oh, that smells really good. So you just add some orange essential oil. What's orange oil? It's not going to hurt you. Does it taste like orange? All right, here. Now this is, I love tea tree. And tea tree is great for disinfecting. You don't have to, just tip it over gently. There you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Tea tree is great for disinfecting and antibacterial. I know, but now you're not. Okay, stop. You have to see the drops. When you tip it all the way over, oh, that smells so good.
See?
When you tip it all the way over, you're not seeing how many is going in there. All right, so now put this on here.
No way.
Screw it on.
I'm strong.
I know you're strong, baby.
I was the one who could open it.
No, hold this and then hold that and then screw this. The red part. There you go. Don't spray that in my face. It's gonna stink because of the vinegar.
Okay, I'm gonna
Alright,
go try it.
All right, wait, hold on. But now we're done. So now give it a nice shake.
Okay, now take a video. Come on, guys.
Okay, no, that's good for now. All right, so that is how you make the orange vinegar cleaner. So my son's gonna go, there you go spray it on the windows. How's it smell? You gotta give it a few more pumps. Go ahead, you gotta get the liquid in there. So there's still a little bit left, but not much, but I'm gonna just kind of go through and just squeeze out the rest of it, dump out the rinds, and then that's it. Now you got an orange. Is it good? Oh yeah, you have to unscrew it. There you go. Do you want me to do it for you? All right, don't screw it, or don't spray it at your face. It's gonna sting your eyes because of the vinegar. So like I said, you can dilute it a little bit with water if you want. I don't. I just prefer it like that. And I think the max would be 3 weeks, because after 3 weeks, the rinds really start to disintegrate. FYI, orange oil, citrus oils are not acidic because they're made from the pulp, not the rind. Vinegar is acidic, so this is just more for scent.
Daddy's birthday card?
Yes, we'll make Daddy's birthday card. So much for the surprise. All right, guys, say bye to everybody. Say, look, you even wore orange.
Yay!
To go with the theme. All right, guys, so thanks for checking in, like and subscribe, and check out some more videos. And now, we're going to dump out the rest of those peels. Well, there's probably not much left. Just open it up, put it in the trash, and dump out the peels. All right, guys, so that's a great way to use your orange peels. You can do this with lemon, with lime, and grapefruit, like any kind of citrus fruit with a peel. A lemon and lime mix would be really nice, too. That would be a really nice scent. But I love the orange one, especially for fall. That's just me. All right, guys, so if you have any questions or comments, comments or concerns or anything, leave them below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.